in this tutorial we will see in how many ways we can add colors to our document or our block. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, in previous tutorial we added this box wrapper. So in box wrapper this style is already added. Okay, so I'm removing all this for now. Yeah, remove padding as well. Remove. Okay, so what we will do is we will give background color to this box. Okay, so background color. So friend, first way is to give a hexadecimal code. Hexadecimal code is you can give color value. Every color is having a hexadecimal value. Okay, so for white color hexadecimal value is FFF 6 times F. So and black is 6 times 0. So I'm giving this 3 4 5 6. Yeah, 6 times, and color should be white so that we can see the color. Hash, as I told you, 6 times F. Okay, so background color is black and foreground is white. Let's go here and you can see. So background changed to black and foreground is text color is white. Okay, so this way you can use a hexadecimal value. Okay, and there is one more way, which is short hexadecimal. So if it is 6 times 0. Okay, so 6 times 0 means 0 is repeating after 3. So the value is repeating after 3. We can remove it. It will automatically takes it's 6. Okay, so we just do not need to give it's repeatedly. So okay, just remove F as well. Guys, please remember, if it is same, in that case only you just need to use short hexadecimal. If it is 6 different characters, so in that case you have to write full hexadecimal value. Okay, so in short also it is running. Okay, so let's say color hex codes. So if you want to know the hex code of colors, yeah, here is black, red, maroon. So here are many, all the hexadecimal codes. So here is yellow, just copy it. If you want color is yellow, so save it. Okay, here you can see, yeah, text color is changed to yellow. And friends, there is one more way. You can just click on the this text. Okay, in your this browser is Chrome. Okay, in developer toolbar, when you clicked on this element where you have put it the color, here is yellow, just click on this color. Okay, then this color picker is open. So from here also you can change the value of the color. Okay, so suppose you want this color or green color. So whichever color you like, suppose you like this color, so you can just copy this code, this hexadecimal code from here, and paste it here. Okay, in hexadecimal value you just need to add hash or pound sign before the color code. Okay, reload it and you can see this green color is added here for the text. Okay, so this is first way, hexadecimal, and another way is RGB. So in RGB, as you know, all colors are made up of using red, green, and blue. So let's make it. Okay, so if you want to give background color black, you're using RGB format. So RGB, and then bracket inside it. You just need to give the value. Red value is 0, 0, 0. Okay, 3 0, 0, red 0, green 0, and blue is also 0. Save it and reload it. Yeah, here you can see background color is black. So if you want to see the value of change the value. So you can in the same way just change the color. Suppose you want this background color, or you want to change it, you want red or dark red. Okay, so suppose you like this value, so in that case you can check the value. 27 is red, green is 23, and blue 22. So 27, 23, 22, 27. So you can just change 27, 23, and 22, and 22. Okay, so value is changed. So now you can see change value is here. Okay, so this is another way. And third way is you can directly give the name of color. So let's suppose as I have given the background black, so you can give value black. See here? Yeah, here you see background is black. So in place of black you want red, just add the red. Okay, magenta. Okay guys, so using these three ways you can give values. Instead of this, I just want to let you know one more thing, and which is RGBA. A basically stands for alpha. Basically, if you want to give a transparency to the color, so in that case you just need to add alpha. So let me show you. So for now there is nothing in background, so you won't be able to anything in background, but I'll just let you know how to add alpha. See here you can see the transparency in black color. You can see like gray color you are seeing. So in suppose you have a image in background, okay, and you are adding such type of strip. Basically there is some background color or some text, okay, and you want to see the image through this color. So in that case what you just need to do is you just need to alpha value as well, RGBA. So which is from 0 to 1. So if you want it 50% transparency, so in that case you just need to pass 0.5. If you want 40%, then in that case you can pass 0.4. Okay, save it, and you can use this RGB color in terms of in percentage as well. Okay, so yeah. So in colors, I have told you the ways in which you can add colors. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys. Bye.